Hello everyone, this is Brian from Sea Spray Getaways, and I'm excited to share some wonderful news. We are now officially certified as a faith-based travel agency with ETS. This certification allows us to go beyond just offering breathtaking vacations, but to offer life-changing journeys. ETS doesn't just offer sightseeing tours. They offer spiritual experiences that deepen the faith and bring people closer together. Imagine walking in the footsteps of Jesus and his disciples, taking communion at the Garden Tomb, or being baptized in the Jordan River. And this is just one of the tours, and it's not even all the sights and things you will do. And as a special note, to make sure that everyone has access, pastors, their wife, for every 10 paid guests, the group gets one free tour. If your church ministry is interested in exploring one of these unforgettable journeys, contact us at Sea Spray's Getaway today. We'd love to speak with your leadership, your congregation, or with you if you'd like, to help plan a faith-filled adventure that'll inspire you, your congregation, your community, and hopefully the world. Sea Spray's Getaway and ETS, making every journey meaningful.